Hi students, welcome back to my channel Influence Mathematics. Today we are here with exercise 10.1 lines and angles. Dear students, we will discuss here with the new chapter lines and angles. First, in the question number 2 of exercise 10.1, we'll discuss about the linear pair. What is linear pairs? Okay, when two angles the sum, it is 180 degree. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. That means that two angles are forming linear pairs. Okay, or else we can say when two angles is making up a one straight line, then that two angles are known as linear pair. Okay, so we are asked here, name the linear pairs. So linear pairs are, which are the linear pairs? The two angles which are forming straight line or 180 degree. Okay, the straight line angle is 180 degree. So linear pairs are, which are the linear pairs? We'll write down. See, these two, angle 2 and angle 1 is making this line. Yes or no? 1 plus 2. Okay, this making half circle. Okay, half circle means is 180 degree straight line. Okay, so 1 and 2, 1 comma 2, then 1 and 3, 1 and 3 is also making straight line, 1 comma 3, then 3 comma 4, 3 comma 4, then 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2, then 6 comma 5, then 5 comma 7, then 7 comma 8, then 8 comma 6. These are forming the linear pairs. You can see these are forming the linear pairs, half circles. Okay, so 180 degree, the angles those who are forming, those angles will be coming under linear pairs. So these are the linear pairs. Okay, now the next is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angle means when the two lines they intersect. When the two lines intersect, the opposite angles are known as vertically opposite angles. So this angle and this angle, these two angles are vertically opposite. This angle and this angle, these two are vertically opposite. Okay, whereas if the case is like that, just say like this. So these two angles are vertically opposite, but if it is coming like that, then these two angles are not vertically opposite, my dear students. Okay, these two angles only vertically opposite. These two angles are vertically opposite angles, whereas this angle and this angle is not vertically opposite angle, because these two angles are not formed by the intersection of two lines, right? So these two are not the vertical, whereas these two are vertically opposite angles. I hope it is clear. So here the vertically opposite angles are vertically, V stands for vertical, O stands for opposite. Angles are 2 and 3 are vertically opposite, 1 and 4 are vertically opposite, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 6 comma 7, 5 comma 8. These are the vertically opposite angles. Okay, so now let's see the next question. Next question says, find the supplement. See here students, two angles will be known as supplementary angles when their sum is 180 degree. When two angles sum is 180 degree, then those two angles will be known as supplementary angles. Okay, and one angle will be the supplement of the other. Okay, just say 60 and 120. So adding these two, we will get 180 degree. Yes or no? So when we get 60 plus 120 is 180 degree. 60 is the supplement of 120. 120 is the supplement of 60. Clear? To both these two angles forming, both these two angles will be known as supplementary angles, and one individual will be known as supplement of the other. Hope so it is clear. So whenever you will be asked to find the supplement, that means the partner. Okay, the partner with whom he is making 180 degree. Okay, that partner we are asked to find out. So supplement of 70 degree is, from 180 you will subtract the given, that is 70. From 180 degree you will subtract. So 180 minus 70 that is 110 degree. Done. The same when they will be saying complement, that is also the partner, but two numbers when the sum is 90 degree, that time the two angles are known as complementary angles. 180 then supplementary, two angles sum 90 degree, then they are known as complementary, and individual will be known as complement of another. Okay, so complement means also part, we have to find out the partner. So complement of 55, in case of complement we will subtract from 90, in place of supplement we will subtract from 180, that is the difference. Okay, 90 minus 55, that is how much it is going to be, 35 degree. Clear? Now in the next question it is said, find the pairs of supplementary and complementary. Which are supplementary pairs, which are complementary pairs, we are asked to identify. So we will add it, 60 plus 30, 90 we got, 90, that means they are complementary. So 60, 30 degree are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay, and the next, let us see, 160 plus 20, if we add we are getting 180 degree. So if it is 180, so that means 160, 20 degree are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Clear? In this way we will find out the pairs of complementary and supplementary, and in this way we will find out the supplement and the complement of the given number, of the given degree. Okay, now let's see the next question. See here the figure is given and we are asked to find out the value of x. Now what did I say you about the linear pair? Sum of two angles when it is 180 degree. 180 degree when they are forming linear, when they are forming a straight line or a half circle, right? So that time those two angles are known as linear pairs. Now we can see this x and 120, these two making up this straight line, right? So these two angles are linear pairs. X and 120 are the linear pairs, so their sum is 180 degree. Done. So x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? We have to write down linear pair. Okay, so from here we have to find out the value of x. X equal to 180 plus 120 will move to right side, will become minus 120 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. In this way we will find out the value of x. But here what did I say? I said that when two angles forming a linear pair, when two angles forming a straight line or a half circle, those two angles sum it is 180 degree, right? And those two angles are known as linear pairs, right? But if they are making up linear pair, they are making up straight line, they are making up half circle also, but not by two angles, more than two angles, like here. See, here one angle, two angle, three angles. By these three angles they are forming this straight line, or by these three angles they are forming this half circle, right? So when it is more than two angles, that time we don't say it's linear pair, we call it as straight line. Okay, we give the name straight line. So these three angles forming this 180 degree, so that condition will be straight line. So 75 degree plus x plus 70 degree, that is also equal to 180 degree. But since here more than 2, so that's why we will not write down linear pair, we will write down straight line. Clear? So 75 plus 70, it is 145, plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 145, that is x is equal to 35 degree. Clear? Now let's see the next sum. Here in question number 14 it is said angle 1 is given and we are asked to find out the remaining 2, 3, 4 we are asked to find out. See here, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite because these two angles are formed by the intersection of the lines AC and BD, right? So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Done. So angle 3 automatically it is going to be 48 degree. Done, because angle 1 is given 48 degree. This is given. Angle 1 is equal to 48 degree is given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, vertically opposite angles. So angle 3 also 48 degree. 1 and 3 done. Now 1 plus 2 is forming linear pair. You can see here straight line. 1 plus 2 is forming this straight line, linear pair. Okay. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Two angles, so it is will be known as linear pair. Angle 1 we know as 48 degree. Angle 2 we don't know, 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 48, that is 132 degree. Done. 2 we came to know. Now 2 and 4 is vertically opposite angles again. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 132 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. So 1 given, 3 we came to know because 1 and 3 are vertically opposite. Then 1 plus 2 is 180 degree. 2 we came to know. Then from 2, 4 also we came to know. So all the remaining angles we came to know. In this way you are going to find out. Okay. Now let's see one more sum. Question number 15. In question number 15 here you see we are asked to find out three angles. X, Y, Z. Okay. X, Y, Z. So see here the figure. See in this figure what we can understand, this line and this line getting intersect. So Z is equal to 40 because the Z, angle Z and 40 degree is formed are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are formed by the intersection of two lines, right? Angle Z and 40 degree are formed because of the intersection of two lines. So Z is equal to 40 degree, that is vertically opposite angles. Done. Now we can see 75, X and 40 degree. These three is making up this line, that is 180 degree. Okay. So 75 degree plus X plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree straight line. Okay. So 75 plus 40 it is 115 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to, so X we will keep here, and 180 degree, 115 degree will be moving to right hand side. Then 180 minus 115 we are getting 65 degree. So Z we got, X we got. Now we need to know Y, right? Okay. Now what we can see here, don't get the mistake, this Y and 75 are not vertically opposite, okay? These two are not vertically opposite. Many used to write down like that, Y and 75. No, they are not vertically opposite. Y and 75 plus X, these two, if these two one side if we take and this one side if we take, then we can say this is vertically opposite. Otherwise 75 and Y we cannot say vertically opposite because these two angles are not forming by the intersection of two lines. So what we will do, we can do here this way also, and we can do it another way, that is Z plus Y. We can see Z plus Y is forming this half circle, right? 180 degree. So Z plus Y we can take it as 180 degree. Z plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Done. So Z we came to know before only 40 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So Y is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. So Y is equal to 140 degree. So this is how we are going to solve the questions of this exercise 10.1. In the next video, we'll be coming out with the next exercise 10.2. Till then, keep practicing, be at home, stay safe. It's Nirmal Roy signing off.